Hey, so this is Jennifer Wood, and I wanted to show you how to use the Share a Cart feature with Beachbody. It's super easy and a great way to set up an order for a potential customer or client. So what you do to find it is you can either go to shareacart.teambeachbody.com, or you can just type Share a Cart Beachbody, and then the link should pop up. I kind of walked you through how to find it, but honestly, the easiest way to do it is to go to www.shareacart.beachbody.com. So it's right there in the cover there. I recommend you copy that and you post that in the notes section of your phone for easy access when you need to set up an order. It's so much easier to send someone the link and have it already set up in their cart. And then all they have to do is put their payment information in and complete the order. It's super, super simple, and it works really well when they're on a mobile device. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to that link, you're gonna sign in with your Coach ID and your password. It's really easy to use. All you do is, it really is self-explanatory. It walks you through it. I am going to show you how to, for example, if you've already sent a link, I want you to click on View Status. So I kind of went forward and then back here. But I want you to click on View Status, and that way you can see what you've sent, who's viewed it, who's purchased it. So for example, if you sent it to someone and they haven't opened it or they viewed it, you can always click on it and copy the link again and send it to them in case, like, maybe it's been a few weeks or whatnot, or you can modify it. It really makes it simple. So what you're going to do for a new order is click on New Enrollment Order, type in the email, the name, and then you're going to select the products that you discussed would be helpful for them to reach their goals. That's why it's so important to ask questions, because if you don't know what they need, you can't make a recommendation. You can sign them up as a customer or a coach, depending on how they've decided to enroll. So then you kind of continue, and you have the option to click Enroll without purchase, and this is going to allow them to just become your free customer. So I recommend you do this with someone. Maybe they're in a free group of yours, and you can easily send them this link. So you can say, okay, great, I just need you to get signed up as my free customer, and I'll send that to your email, or I can send that as a direct link to you. Which one would be easier? And you can send it, and it's easy peasy. So basically, you can go through here and select whatever products. So right now I'm looking for the quarterly all access Beachbody On Demand Challenge Pack. It's $140. I use it all the time because it's such a great deal. And all you do is add to cart. You select the, whether you want 24 packets or whether you want 30 servings in a bag. You select the flavor. So these are all things you have to talk to your customer about in advance if you're going to set the Share a Cart feature up. So once you get that set up, then you click send the email, or if you want to add something else for them to look at, you can click continue shopping, and you can add something else to it. For example, maybe you're making a recommendation that they go ahead and get the Energize, so you can add that to the cart, and they can change this as they're checking out, or they can remove it from their cart. I normally don't do that. If I've discussed that with them, I usually will talk to them about it in advance, but it is an option. So all you're going to do now is click send the email, and that's going to send the email directly to the customer, and they can click that link, put in their payment information, and order their products and get set up. You can also, what I also do is I copy the shareable link and I go into Facebook or email or Instagram, and I post that to them, and I say, here's the link to order. I'm excited to get you started. Send me a message as soon as you order so we can get you set up in the group and hit the ground running. Something along those lines. So I hope that helps. Have a great day.